Are you tired of trying to sell domain names only to realize that it's much harder than you thought and you're just about ready to quit? Well, don't quit just yet, because I've got a solution for you. Hi, I'm Lance Groom, also a broker on the Flippa platform, and I've been selling domains for several years. In fact, over the last couple of years, I've sold over $50,000 in domains and even brokered several of the domains too. I'm going to teach you how to flip domains, make better choices, and of course, learn how to become a broker. And I've created and taught such courses as Exodus, Mass Departures of Domains, Flippa Confidential, Private Reserve, Brokifi, and of course 60-minute flips was one of my popular ones where I was able to flip domains within 60 minutes. And you buy them for $13, sell them up to $997. I'm going to show you also a domain I sold for $15,000. And there's so many people selling domains. I'm going to show you how to find the gold, dig and data mine for great domain names, and be able to flip other people's domain names, as well as work with a company called GoDaddy and resell some of their domains. I heard recently of a guy that was doing that, making $95,000 a month, and we're in the business to show you how to do it. So if you want to become a member, you want to attend the next webinar, or get access to all the replays, the next live is going to be on April 5th, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You're also going to get a copy right now of the first replay of Domainiac. Why? Because we're all Domainiacs, and we're going to show you how to capitalize yourself in this opportunity. So go to the link right now, click the button or click the link, and make sure you jump on board. Their seating is limited, and I'm only going to be distributing so many copies right now of Domainiac. You're also going to be access to a membership that's going to be getting started this week, and I'm going to be adding all kinds of stuff in there. So if you're tired of trying to flip domains and you feel you just suck and it's harder than you thought, I'm going to help you. I'm the guy that made over $1 million in classified ads. I've been out there doing lots of stuff, and domains is my thing, and domains is going to be soon your thing. Click the link below and get started right now. If it says closed, you're too late. Not sure when I'm going to open it up again, so click it right now. We'll see you there.